What's going on, you guys? You got Mike from Mike'sMoneyTips.com here today, coming at you with 5 things you need to know before you try to start an internet business. If y'all want to know my number one secret and how I got started, check out the first link in the description. It'll help you out a lot. But then again, that's for what I'm doing. You may want to do something completely different. We'll go over all that in the video today. But if you get anything that may help you out, check out, like and subscribe, comment, let me know what's up, what you'd like to know. If I can, I'll help you out any way I can. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is research. No matter what you want to do, whether it's e-com, affiliate marketing, an FBA store, transcription work, you name it, anything you can do online, you need to research it and figure out exactly how to do it. There's plenty of free tutorials on YouTube and everywhere else to do your research. Go on manufacturers' websites if you're wanting to do like HR or something for them. It's just, you've got to get out here and do your research first. No matter what else you do, you have to do the research, because without the research, you're just basically following the shiny object syndrome. You really don't know what you want. Second, learn it. Learn what you want to do. You need to learn about it. You need to know about it. You need to be able to tell somebody ain't got a clue what it is, what it is. You need to be able to explain it to them to where they know without a shadow of a doubt what you're talking about. Otherwise, you'll never get anywhere. No matter what you choose or anything else, you have to learn what it is. You have to learn what's out there. Because there's Shopify, there's Amazon, there's eBay, there's affiliate marketing, there's diet supplements, biz ops. I can keep going on and on and on about all the different type of affiliate marketing or e-com stores or anything else really you want to talk about as far as ways to make money online. Of course, I'm more of a biz op guy. I like doing that. I'm an affiliate marketer. It's what I like, because I like to help people make money. 3, you got to choose, and whatever you choose, stick with it. Don't say, okay, this week I'm going to be Amazon FBA, and then 2 weeks to a month later, well, that's not working, so we're going to just go and do something else. We're going to go be an affiliate marketer. 2 or 3 weeks later, well, I'm not really liking this either, so we're going to go somewhere else. If you don't stick with it, you'll never get anywhere. Everybody wants this instant success. Trust me, if there was a magic button or pill or whatever else you could do to make $1 million, would we not all be rich? Just think about it. I mean, honestly. Next, dive deep into it. All these gurus tell you, diversify, 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 do this, do that, have multiple streams of income. You can, but not in the beginning. In the beginning, you have to dive deep into whatever you're doing. Don't give up, because eventually when you hit the bottom of whatever you're in, you will be successful at the bottom. I know that sounds weird, but until you can get to the bottom of whatever it is you're doing, you can't build your way back up. Remember that. You have to find the bottom. Because on the way down, you're going to be learning everything too. And then once you have all that knowledge, you can stack it in the order it needs to be in and come out on top. I'm in an affiliate program that me and a couple of other people been in, and I've not really been consistent with it at all. I'm not going to lie. And some of the other guys started after I did and are a lot farther along because they dove deep into it and went head first, non-stop, straight into it. Me, I kind of had that shiny object syndrome and kept bouncing from this and that and this and that and this and that. Now I'm on a straight and narrow path trying to accomplish everything that they've already accomplished. With time, it will come. As of right now, I'm trying to teach y'all what I know. And no matter what, commit completely to whatever you choose. Don't give up. I know a lot of people out there can't commit more than 3 days to anything. Some people, that's a stretch. So whatever you do not give up. Because about the time, it's kind of like back in the 1840s, here in the States anyway, we had the gold rush in California. There were a lot of people starving, sold their claims for pennies on the dollar, and they lost everything because they were 30 feet from a gold mine because they gave up digging. No matter what, don't give up on yourself. Do not give up on your dream. Because you keep pushing, you will come out on top. I promise you. So, without anything else being said, that's about all I got for you today. Click like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you like. We'll talk to you on the next one.